Hello, doctors, dentists, and my dear friends. I'm your host Nikhil Vaish, the co-founder of TEN, the Education Network. In our series of previous videos, we have discussed the major advantages of doing medical PG from Germany. We have discussed the economical facts about Germany, and I have highlighted the academic factors, the settlement options, and we have compared the differences in the medical training pattern of Germany with reference to English-speaking countries like USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and even India. Now, today, let us discuss on a very interesting subject, which is a very big influencer and motivator for doctors when they choose Germany for their medical continued training. Let's talk about doctors' salary in Germany. According to the Salary Explorer, a doctor working as a physician in Germany typically, in average, earns around 9,000 euros per month. Salaries range from 3,300 euros on the lowest average to around 50,000 euros on the highest one. Doctors with specialist job as a dermatologist, invasive cardiologist, neurologist, OBG, radiologist, and urologist all have monthly average salary of around 12,000 euros per month, which makes it nearly 11 lakhs per month according to the Indian rupee. Doctors and physicians in Germany are likely to observe a salary increase of approximately 12% every 15 months, compared to the average salary increment across the world is only approximately 3% every 16 months. Doctors and physicians are considered to be very high bonus based fields. The bonuses reported range from around 5% to 9% of their annual salary, depending on their performance. For your knowledge and to your surprise, doctors, the hourly average wage of a doctor in Germany comes to around 52 euros per hour, which makes it nearly 4,500 rupees per hour, according to the Indian rupee, which is one of the highest in the world. On an average, a doctor doubles their starting salary by the time they cross the 10 years experience mark. Unlike Germany, a doctor working as a physician in India typically earns around 75,000 Indian rupees per month, or we can say around 800 euros per month. Salaries in India range from around 28,000 Indian rupees on the lowest average to around 1,25,000 rupees on the highest ones. As you can see, there is a sea of gap between the salaries earned by a doctor in India and the salaries earned by a doctor in Germany. So, doctors, when you start working in Germany for the first time on a temporary license, you are entitled for around 4,800 euros per month as your starting salary according to the 2020 collective agreement of the union rate, which is being paid to every assistant doctor. And this salary builds year by year. Talking about the overtime or the extra compensation, a doctor in average earns around 25% extra of his monthly salary with night duties, obligations, and overtime. It is compulsory for every assistant doctor to do a minimum of 6 and a maximum of 8 night duties in a month, for which he is rewarded handsomely. And the payment for these range from around 300-350 euros per night to around 500 euro also per night, depending upon the hospital and your location of your hospital. Right. Now, when you talk about experience, there is a very famous saying where we say German treasure experience. Any experience earned by a doctor in his home country or the country of study is compensated for and accounted for in Germany. What does it mean? It means, as a doctor, if you have worked in a home country for 3 to 4 years of time, and once you get a medical license to work as a doctor in Germany, your experience in your home country or the country of study can be accounted for and your remuneration, your salary will be quite in accordance to your experience. So your starting salary may not start from 4,800 euros per month, but much higher because you've already got prior experience of working in your home country. Talking about the earning, by the time you complete your medical specialization or you're about to complete your medical specialization, a doctor on an average can expect a salary of around 100 lakhs or so as to say around 1 crore per year by the time he completes his medical training in Germany. Yes, it is true. Doctor, it is very, 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 very true. A doctor in India hardly earns anything while doing his medical specialization, but a doctor in Germany earns a substantial salary touching nearly 1 crore per year. That is too good to be true, but it is true. So these are some of the financial benefits and assurances you can expect as a doctor in Germany. So friends, as I usually say, challenges are a part of life, but challenges are followed by benefits. It's up to us how you take it. One day you will thank yourself that you never gave up. If you have any query, you can reach us back and you can do follow us on Insta, Facebook, or LinkedIn. I'm Nikhil West signing off and I thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care. I wish you all the best for your future. Bye. Take care.